Picking up tight to your hips, lower back tense, and energy drain before your feet even hit the floor? You don't need more coffee. You need space to release and realign. Let's hit the mat. Now we awaken the small muscles you never knew were asleep. Sit tall with your knees bent, feet flat, hands behind you. Drop your right knee inward towards your left foot, then come back to center. Alternate sides slowly. Feel how your hips glide, or maybe catch. That's your feedback. Adjust with care. Beginners, stay supported with your hands. Advanced switches, lift your hands off the floor for balance and core control. Most people overlook this movement, but without it, your hips stay locked in dysfunction. Do you feel your hips talking to you yet? Listen closer. That just reconnected your core control. Now let's bring the movement upright. This one's deceptively simple, but it reveals imbalances fast. Start in a tall kneel, glutes resting on heels. Squeeze your glutes to lift your hips forward into a tall posture. Lower back down with control. Your glutes should do the lifting, not your back. Beginners, keep hands on hips for balance. Advanced switches, cross arms over your chest to challenge stability. This move restores strength to a common compensation pattern in tight hip walkers. Hold the top for 5 seconds. Squeeze, then lower slowly. That just resets your stride mechanics. Now let's invite in softness. Now we bring calm back in. Sit with the soles of your feet together. Knees out wide. Gently press your knees down as you hinge forward from the hips. Breathe. Stay here. This isn't just a stretch. It's a space for your body to settle into presence. Beginners, sit on a pillow to elevate the hips. Advanced switches, grab your feet and pull your chest closer to the mat. Your hips hold stress, but they also hold freedom. This move is your reminder. Can you hold this just 5 seconds longer than you want to? That just unlocked stillness. Now let's flow through your spine. Let's close with breath, heart, and openness. Lie on your stomach, place your hands under your shoulders, press into your palms, and gently lift your chest. Keep elbows soft. Roll your shoulders back and open your collarbones. Feel that lift? That's your nervous system shifting out of fight or flight. Beginners, stay low in Sphinx position. Advanced switches, straighten arms and tilt your gaze upward. This movement signals your body, you're safe, you can breathe again. Hold. 5 more seconds. Open your heart. Let go.